Project Lead the Way students are out of this world. In fact, John Palma, a recent Clear Springs High School graduate, walked off the zero-gravity airplane wide-eyed and speechless. Palma and 3 other students tested a water system they had designed in their Clear Springs High School Project Lead the Way class. After the flight, former student Bob Haley and senior engineering design teacher Allie Westover are disassembling the experiment. This system could potentially help grow plants in space's zero-gravity environment. Project Lead the Way is a national pre-engineering program, and in 2005, the Board of Trustees, approved a 5-year plan to implement PLTW in all of the district's high schools. In its 5th year in the district, Project Lead the Way in CCISD has become a national model for pre-engineering programs. In 5 years, the program has grown to include more than 900 students in the PLTW courses across the district's high schools. This school year is the first year the program has expanded into 2 intermediate school programs. Gateway to Technology is the first course in the 5-course sequence and offers intermediate school students a chance to explore engineering as a future career. Gateway to Technology is being offered at Clear Creek Intermediate and at Bayside Intermediate. Additionally, during the past 5 years, hundreds of students have completed the program and are majoring in engineering, engineering technology, or other related courses at a college or university. Former Clearbrook student Brad Bevelow is just one of the many who stay in touch with their PLTW teachers.
Mr. Chang, after being an engineering student at Texas A&M for half a semester now, it has come to my realization how much IED has helped me in what I am doing in my engineering class every week. Currently, we are working with AutoCAD. I can't tell you how important it is to know how to work with the system to successfully create drawings quickly and efficiently. Let your students know that they will be using the information that they learn in your IED classes to use in college, even the brainstorming curriculum. Thanks for all that you taught me. I really appreciate it. Best wishes, Brad Bevelow.
Lillian Wilson, PLTW instructor at Clear Lake High School, also receives a number of contacts from former students such as Andrew Rose. Andrew wrote, "Mrs. Wilson, I have to let you know that the Marble Soda project in POE is saving my life right now. I have a programming class in which we have to draw freehand flowcharts. It's different from the click and drag style we use when programming the marble sorter, but the background in it and having some kind of experience with the computer logic has really helped. I hope that you're having a good year so far." Taylor Rose. Allie Westover's high-flying trio include Henry Mai, who is at A&M studying electrical engineering, John Palma is at Kansas State studying engineering, and Bob Haley is at San Jac and going into engineering. The former students have validated the curriculum used in the 5-course sequence. After taking Gateway to Technology in 8th grade, students can take Introduction to Engineering Design. Students may then choose to take Digital Electronics, which teaches a foundation for the design of all current electronic devices. The students may also take Principles of Engineering, where students learn some of the major concepts they will encounter in college engineering courses, solve engineering problems, document their work, and present their findings. Students will also interact with engineers in events such as the NASA Distance Learning Video Conference with Clearbrook students. In the 11th grade, students have the option to choose an engineering specialization course such as Computer Integrated Manufacturing, Civil and Architectural Engineering, Biotechnical Engineering, and/or Aerospace Engineering. Each high school offers one or more of the specialization courses, and the Biotechnical Engineering course will be offered next year for the first time at Clear Falls. The capstone class for the pre-engineering sequence is Engineering Design and Development, where students design a solution to a real-world problem. Dr. Sumbato, a mentor from NASA, is one of hundreds of engineers and other volunteers that are helping with the PLTW pre-engineering program. EDD students, shown with instructor Lillian Wilson at Clear Lake, looked the part of professional engineers during their presentation of the originals research and problem solving. Ray McPhail from BP spoke to the POE's classes about energy generation, in particular, wind energy farms and the power grid. Mr. McPhail is one of almost 100 engineers or industry personnel in related fields that serve on the district-wide PLTW Advisory Committee. Students from the current EDD at Clear Springs recently attended the National Innovative Summit in Washington, D.C. What's a good way to get the attention of future engineers? Students from Clearbrook's PLTW classes held a puzzle cube challenge during lunch, and a catapult challenge in the halls at lunch during National Engineers Week. Current PLTW students love to interest other students in careers in engineering. Through Project Lead the Way and the hard work of the dedicated instructors, students extend their engineering skills into the Hunch and the robotics programs. CCISD has become one of the nation's leading school districts in helping to interest and shape the nation's future engineers.